One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your
You're not holding me back, I know. You're not holding me back, You're not holding me back,
Hey guys, this is Elvin from FX220, and in this video we'll go through the analysis that I took to win this trade on the dollar Swiss franc. And by the end, you'll probably trade like a pro. If you'd like us to release more videos more often, just click the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever we release new content. Also, let us know what video topics you would like us to cover, and we'll try our best to make them. I'll break the analysis down into about 4 different steps. I'll start off with the trend. And we make sure that you're trading with the trend. As you can see, the USD CHF has been in a downtrend. We use 2 indicators, the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA. Whenever the 50 EMA is below the 200, that means we're in a downtrend. Going into the daily time frame, you can clearly see a low, high, low, high, low. So we have been creating lower lows, lower highs, also breaking previous structure levels. This was a very easy, simple trade. I consider this to be a A+ trade because of how simple, clear it was. It's the type of trade I normally like to take. I've been taking these for years. We be disciplined, specific, consistent with these trades. You don't have to look for trades every single day. These don't come every day. But we try our best to make sure that we catch these type of trades. But like I said, the first step was to make sure we're trading with the trend. We're in a downtrend. So we're going to look for a trade going short. The next step was trading around the news. We do not trade before high impact news. It can make our trade more volatile, can go against us. We don't gamble, so we wait for clear confirmations before we take any trade. We either trade when there's no news, or if we do enter after the news event, we make sure that it's going our way. For example, I'm not going to go short on USD CHF if the unemployment rates became positive, or the PMI interest rate decisions came out positive. We're careful when it comes to the news, We just make sure there's no high impact news right before the trade. I looked on this day, there was nothing coming out. So it cleared the checklist. That's one of the main goals. Go through the checklist, make sure every part of the criteria is checked out. So we started off making sure we're trading with the trend, which is a downtrend. Second thing was trading around the news. Make sure you're not trading right before high impact news, or if you do trade after the news, make sure you know what the results were. I'll talk about correlation. It's very important. You want to trade a weak pair against a strong pair, or vice versa, strong pair against a week pair. Looking at the USD CAD, let's look at USD CAD. When I took this trade, it was in a downtrend. You can go back and clearly see it had been going down for days. USD JPY, downtrend as well. I took the trade on Tuesday here. It had already been going down. It had an EMA cross, went down for 2 days before that. I also look at the dollar index. Dollar index also has been going down. Took the trade here. You can clearly see we're in a downtrend, so correlation is matching perfectly. A plus. I took the trade on Tuesday here. We can also look at USD crosses like the pound dollar. It was going up, so that means the pound is strong and the dollar is weak. So this is perfect for correlation. So I took the trade on Tuesday here. Even the pound had a strong confirmation candle and a W formation here as well. The Euro USD in an uptrend. It had an EMA cross right here, moved up, and it's also trending up. NZD USD also going up, and AUD USD going up as well. It's been going up for days. Took the trade here on Tuesday. It was already going up Friday, Thursday, and days before. Lastly, we'll check out the Swiss franc and the JPY. Took the trade around here. You can see that the Swiss franc was strong on this day. If you remember, we took USD CHF short, but we want USD to be weak and CHF to be strong. So you can clearly see CHF was strong on this day. So we traded a weak pair versus a strong pair, which causes our trade to go in the money. As you can see, correlation was perfect. Lastly, I'll talk about the pattern formation. We have a break of the Asian consolidation area. The market will move sideways for a few minutes, and then it'll create a pattern. And that pattern was an M formation. We had a very strong confirmation candle, and it also broke below the 50 EMA. I entered right after the close of the candle and set my stop loss 20 pips, take profit 20 pips. We usually try to keep the ratio close to a 1-to-1 or close as possible. But I set the stop loss at the high, and then the take profit was about a 1-to-1. Took about 2 hours and then journal my trade. That was it. It was a very easy trade, easy money. And you can repeat this over and over every single week. Even one or two of these a month can be enough for us. We can keep our high win rate and just gain large profits. And as you can see, the market went a lot further than what I took. Let's try to see how far it went after my take profit. From my take profit, the market came down 200 pips. I don't like to swing trade. I get impatient. I tried it before, but I rather just trade with larger sizes and just get out at the 20 pips, 30 pips, maybe 40 pips the most. But for those that do like to swing trade, you can get infinite infinite benefits out of this. We have a high win rate plus we're able to catch a very high risk to reward trade. This is one of the benefits of this type of trading systems. One of the tips I'll give, stay disciplined. Wait for the perfect A plus setup like these. You can see how clear they are. They might not come every day, but when they do, they're very obvious, very, very easy to spot. Also, stay consistent, follow the strategy, follow the checklist. If it doesn't look right, just don't take the trade. I miss trades all the time just because something's missing. I rather not take it, rather not gamble. We have many opportunities that we can take throughout the month. So I'd rather just skip that one that I think it might work or might not work. It's not worth it. Later on, you can trade with larger sizes where one trade, two trades, maybe four trades a month is just more than enough. You don't have to take 10 trades a week. And also follow risk management. No matter how good our win rate is, we still try to follow risk management. It's all based on your account size. But that's all. That's all I have for today. Study, back test, and learn from these videos. Like I said earlier, let us know what you would like us to make videos on. Subscribe, like. Happy holidays and good luck and good trading to you all.